If you're repeatedly applying packing tape to seal a box, this could indicate either the tape is of poor quality or it's not being applied properly. Packing tapes are designed with a pressure-sensitive adhesive, which means achieving a strong seal depends on applying it correctly. Here's the right way to apply tape. Start by making sure the box's surface is clean, devoid of dust or any contaminants. Dust on the cardboard means the tape adheres to dust instead of the box, risking your boxes coming undone. Similarly, grease, water, or any contamination can prevent the tape from sticking properly. Follow these steps for optimal tape application. Once your items are packed, ensure the box flaps are aligned and close together. Vital that the contents fit the box without forcing the flaps apart, which could cause the tape to come loose. If the box is too large, fill the void with packing materials to prevent both inadequate tape adhesion and potential damage to the items. Ideally, extend the tape about 2 inches down the sides of the box. Applying less risks the tape peeling off, while more is unnecessarily wasteful. When applying, press down gently to secure the tape. At the end, leave a 2-inch overhang on the side before cutting the tape. An important application tip: avoid stretching the tape. Due to its elastic memory, stretched tape will attempt to revert to its original length, leading to detachment from the box surface. Quality tape should seal the box with a single application. If you find yourself applying tape multiple times, the tape's quality is likely subpar. The Blitz Tape HD series, crafted for industrial applications, guarantees a secure seal from the first application, ensuring your boxes stay closed as intended. For additional details, please go to Packsys.us or send an email to info@packsys.us. Choose Packsys for unparalleled technology at unbeatable prices.